Namaste. In today's video, I embark on a journey to explore the mighty and mystical Lord Shiva, not just through my words, but through my art. What you are about to witness is a fusion of creativity and spirituality. In Hindu scriptures, Lord Shiva is popularly known as Natarajan, which translates to the dancing god. This form of Lord Shiva is known for the divine art performed by him. It is called Shiva Tandav. Shiva Tandav Stotram is a powerful hymn dedicated to Lord Shiva, one of the principal deities in Hinduism. It is believed to have been composed by Ravana, a great devotee of Lord, who, after gaining great strength and wisdom, wanted to express his deep devotion through the art of poetry and rhyme. जटातवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गलेव लम्ब लम्बितं भुजंग तुंग मालिकम् दमट दमट दमन निनाद वडमरवयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु न शिव शिवम्. It is a believed fact that everything in this universe is energy. Everyone in this universe vibrates at a certain frequency depending upon the moods which are experienced as per the situation we face. For example, if the situation a person faces is positive, then they will feel happy, energetic. Therefore, they will vibrate at a high frequency. On the other hand, if the situation a person faces is negative, then they will feel sad, unhappy, depressed, etc. Thus, they will vibrate at a low frequency. Hence, to avoid negativity in a negative situation and to increase positivity in a positive situation, one should always recite Shiva Tandav Stotram.